Yeah, very good morning. So, how are you?
Fine, ma'am. What about you?
Yeah, fine. So, can I have your resume, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Your good name?
Srividya, ma'am.
Srividya. So, where are you from?
Nizamabad, ma'am.
Nizambad.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me about yourself.
First of all, thank you, ma'am, for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, Srividya. I am basically from Nizamabad, currently staying in Hyderabad. Coming to my educational qualification, I have completed B.Tech with the stream of Computer Science, and I have completed my intermediate in Kakatiya Junior College. Completed my schooling in Sri Vishanti High School. Coming to my technical skills, I am good at C and Java. In BTech, I have done two projects. One is major project, another one is mini project. My major project is about college computerization system. My mini project is about human detection count using CNN. Coming to my strengths, self-motivated, quick learner. My hobbies are listening music. Thank you.
So, what kind of music you can listen?
Anything, ma'am.
Any music.
Any music.
Okay. So, I think your major project is college computerization system.
Yes, ma'am.
So, can you explain briefly about your major project?
My major project is about college comparison system. In this we have four modules. One is parent, faculty, admin, student. Admin can do all the accounts of students and management. Parent can log in and view their children fee details and marks. Student can manage the student can log in and register their to view their needs. Student have a request for ask for request bona fide or memo generation on respective day. Faculties can insert to timetable, can insert feedback to the respective student time. In this we have the aim of our project is to reduce the paper workload and save the significant staff time.
Okay. So, what is the role in your project? I think BTech project means team of 5 members or 4
Yes.
members you are doing the
Yes,
project,
ma'am.
right? So, what is the role you have played in your project?
Second team leader, ma'am. First team.
That means you have developed a database logic or
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in first team leader they did the coding, ma'am. In that we have did some corrections and did the data collections like that.
okay. So, why you choose Java?
In market, the demand is more in high. Market, the Java is more demand, ma'am. Nowadays we are some members are placing Java as a fresher or experienced on so much demand in Java, ma'am. So that's why I
Okay.
choose Java.
So, what type of applications you can develop in Java?
HTML.
HTML. It is a markup language.
Yes.
What type of applications? So you are learning Java, right?
Yes.
So what kind of applications?
Web applications.
Web applications.
Websites.
Websites will come under web applications, right? So you are designing. So apart from that, no. Okay. So I think you have written in your resume in technical skills, especially core Java.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Shall I ask you some questions in core Java? First of all, rate yourself out of 5. How much you will give?
3, ma'am.
3.
Yes, ma'am.
You are very confident.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you tell me what is the definition of bytecode?
It is nothing but fixed set of instruction. Each instruction, there are 200 instructions. Each instruction occupies 1 byte of memory. By using Java, we can convert source code to bytecode. JVM in Java Virtual Machine, it is a software which is designed by using bytecode instructions. By using JVM, we can convert bytecode to machine code.
Okay. By using Java, we can convert source code into bytecode.
Yes.
Is it true? Which compiler we need to take?
Java compiler.
Java compiler. Okay. So how can you make a class as immutable in Java? How can you make? See, classes are mutable actually, but I want to make one user defined class as immutable. So what are the steps we need?
Do not allow subclasses classes to override methods because they are because all make all fields are final and private. Do not allow subclasses to override methods because final class in Java cannot be extended. Class members are only installed by using constructor. Use getter methods for all variables.
Okay. Can we setter methods? Can we setter methods when we are making class as immutable?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am. No.
No.
Do not allow setter
You are
methods.
confusing.
Do not allow setter methods because setter method provide the meaning to change the state of an object.
Okay. So that is the reason we are not allowing setter methods in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's fine. So what is class loader? How many types of class loaders are there in Java?
Different systems have different .class files. The class loader will check whether it is valid .class file or not. It loads the classes into the JVM memory. The class loader will have three types. Bootstrap, extension, system. Bootstrap means it loads the JDK internal classes. Extension means it loads the classes from the JDK extension. And system means the class loader will loads the classes from the current class path.
Current class path.
Yes.
Okay. What is the difference between, listen carefully, what is the difference between static variable, static method, okay, static block?
Static variable is a variable whose single copy is shared by all the objects. If the static variables are modified, it will affect the remaining objects. Static methods are directly access the static variables. Static variables are stored in method area. Static method, it does not depend on instance variables. Static method is declared with the keyword called static. Static method can be directly called by using class name or object name or method name dot object name. Static method can directly access the static variables. Static block. Whenever we associate static keyword, then that associate it to a block, then that block is referred to as a static block.
Okay. So without main method also we can write on your program in Java?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How?
In Java 6 version, by using a static block, we can write the main method. But now coming to Java 7 version, it is possible to execute a main method.
Okay. Compulsory.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the difference between object oriented programming and object based programming?
In object-oriented programming, it follows, it supports all the features like object-oriented. But coming to object-based programming, it does not follow, it does not support all the features like polymorphism and inheritance. Coming to object-oriented, it does not have built-in objects. Coming to object-based, it can have built-in objects like JavaScript. Examples are C, C++, Java. Coming to object-based, JavaScript.
JavaScript. Okay, it is a object based programming. Okay. So why is the main method static? You are writing public static void main string args. Okay. Why we need to mention in main method static especially?
There is no object of the class existing when the Java runtime starts.
Okay, so that is the reason we are making main method as static. Okay. Can we execute a program without a main method?
Yes, ma'am.
Now only you said.
Yes, ma'am. Up to Java 6 version, we can execute a main method by using static block.
Okay. What is the difference between static method and instance methods?
Static method, it does not depend on instance variables. The static method is declared with the keyword called static. Static method can directly access the static variables. Static method can be called by using class name or object name dot method name. Instance variable, it does not it acts upon the instance method. Instance method is a method in the variable. Since it can create the object before calling the instance method.
Okay. Can we call instance methods by using object name? How we can call instance methods? By using object name.
No, ma'am. Before calling the method name.
Object name dot method name. How you can call instance methods? By
Object
using
name
object
dot
name
object
only.
name.
So don't be confused. Okay. Next, what is this keyword in Java?
By using this keyword, it can refers to the present class object. It means that refers to the all the members of the present class object. This keyword can refers to the present class variables, methods, and constructors.
Methods and constructors. Okay, then what is the difference between this and super keyword?
This keyword represents the current instance of a class. Super keyword represents the current instance of parent or base class. It is used to call the default constructor of current class.
Okay.
Super keyword it is used to call the default constructor of parent or base class. It is used to access the methods of current class. It is used to access the methods of base class.
Base class. Okay. Can we overload the main method?
Yes, ma'am. We can overload the main method in Java. But JVM only calls the original main method, but it will never calls our overloaded main method.
Okay. Can we override static methods?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. We cannot override the static method in Java. Method overriding relies on dynamic binding at runtime, but static methods are bounded at compile time with static binding.
Can we have virtual functions in Java?
Yes, ma'am. We can have virtual functions in Java because it is expected to derived in derived class. We can call virtual function by referring object of derived class by using the reference of base class.
Okay. Can we declare main method as final?
Yes, ma'am. We can declare main method as final because the compiler won't throw any error if we declare any method in final by placing the final keyword. Then that method is become to final method. The main use of final method is in Java is they are cannot overridden. They are not overridden.
They are not overridden. Okay. So, what is the definition of polymorphism?
Poly means many, morphism means forms. The ability to exist in many forms is known as polymorphism.
Okay. So, can you give any real-time example for polymorphism?
Human life cycle. Example: human life cycle or student life cycle.
Student life cycle. Okay. What is inheritance?
Creating a new class from already existing class.
Creating a new class from already existing class.
The main advantage of inheritance is code reusability.
Code reusability. Okay. So write down one program. Okay. So write a Java program to remove. Write a Java program to print string in reverse order without using any predefined method. See, actually, if you want to reverse any string means we are using a predefined method called reverse method. But don't use any reverse method. Okay, just directly if you need to take one string, sample string, and print that string in reverse order. Don't use any predefined method. Okay, no? Okay, right now. And explain the program line by line what you are doing, what you are writing. Write down and parallelly explain it.
First we are taking class demo, then next main method, next scanner class we are taking scanner class, scanner S is equals to scanner of.
What is the purpose of scanner class?
Scanner class scanner class you have to print output in same line.
Same line. What is the purpose? Why we need to take scanner class especially?
We are taking directly, entering map string, so that's why we are directly we are not initializing variables, ma'am. We are
You need to take the data from the keyword.
so that's why we are
Mention
using
that line that by using scanner class you are accepting data from the keyword. Okay, continue. So what is the method we need to use?
sc dot next line method.
Okay. Is that for loop is correct? So int s is equal to c dot length. Why you are confusing? I think you are feeling tensed. Int s is equal to which length you need to find out. What is the string variable you have given? S is the variable to represent your string. You are confusing. So when you are finding the length will be stored in some n variable or something, right? So make it as int n is equal to s dot length. What is the variable you have declared? So why you have confused? So when you want to find out the length, we need to use the variable what you have created for string data type. Okay. So s dot length. Can we write down like that? It is not possible. Yes. Okay.
Class demo, we are taking public static argument main method. Scanner class s is equals to scanner of system dot in. String we are taking some variable. System dot order entering the string. We are taking one string. We are taking one string from the user keyboard. For string we are next line method we are using system dot order println. After taking a string, it can be reversed. After reversing the string is we are using for into n is equals to s dot length I greater than 0. Decrementing I means we are printing output in like we are taking output in Vidya. We are printing it like that A, Y, D, I means we are here decreasing. So that's why we are taking minus decrementing.
Okay. In decrement order.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Afterwards system dot I dot println s dot character of I minus 1. We are decreasing now. I means we are taking one value. We are taking one value means it should be minusing, ma'am. Decreasing.
So you are taking I variable means I think int I is equal to, right? So we cannot take it as a n variable.
Yes, equals to I s dot length I greater than 0. We are decrementing, ma'am. So that's why we are printing like that. Vidya. We are taking input from the keyboard. We are Vidya. The output is A, Y, D, I.
Reverse order you are
Yes.
printing. Okay, have your seat. Okay. So I think you have little bit confusion while writing the program. So okay, but good. Whatever you have written the logic, it was somewhat good. Okay. So what are your salary expectations?
As a fresher, I'm trying to enhance my as a fresher. I'm trying to enhance my skills and knowledge. I want to become a financial independent. Coming to my salary expectation, it completely depends on my knowledge and skills. I think getting hands-on experience is also very important in the IT field, and I'm ready to accept the as per the company norms.
As per the company
Company
norms.
norms.
Okay. Why I need to hire you?
As a fresher, I have only theoretical knowledge. If you give me a chance, I will implement in a practical way. I'm sincere that I can complete my work within the given time. I'm very honest to my wife. I'm a quick learner. I'm trying my level best for the good progress of our organization. If you hire me, it will be a good platform to implement my skills.
Okay. See, when I want to take you as a fresher to my company, you are saying that I have only technical, theoretical knowledge. Okay, why you are mentioning theoretical knowledge? I think you are taking some training regarding to core Java in some institutes, right? So then why you are saying I know only theoretical knowledge? I don't know any practical knowledge. Why you are saying like that? If you are not good in practical knowledge, how can I take to my company?
Ma'am, we are taking into your company. If you will be if you will be give training to me, ma'am. In that we will check only practical way, no, ma'am.
Okay.
Theoretical way it will be I'm okay. We will not check, no, ma'am. You will be take only practical way, ma'am. So that's why you will be training, ma'am. You will be training to me in practical way. In that I will perform well, ma'am.
You will perform well. Okay. What is my question? Did you understand? I think you are learning core Java in some institute. Okay. While I am asking this question, everybody is saying that I know only three theoretical knowledge, but you are writing some code on the board. So
But-
then you know the practical knowledge also, right?
Yes, ma'am. Coming to theoretical knowledge, it is very good, ma'am. Coming to practical knowledge, it does not good, ma'am. Why? Because we are not good in practical way. If you give me a chance, ma'am, I will best my level. I will prove my level best for practical way.
Okay. So, do you have any questions to ask me?
No.
No. Okay. So your technical round is completed. For further rounds, our HR will contact you.
Thank you.
Okay.